hard wiring for a ceiling fan with the on-off switch wired directly to breaker box with hot, neutral, and ground. The the wire nuts, these are a different type, a replacement of a wire nut. They're very effective. And so this kind of replaces the old school wire nuts. And again, the on and off switch here, this on and off switch will go directly to the ceiling fan, which is newly installed and has power directly to the ceiling fan. So in an outbuilding of a house. So again, the on-off switch, the line side directly to the box, the load side feeding the switch. Instead of using standard wire nuts, these wires here, there are different name brands one may buy from the electrical supply house. These are very effective. I like these. They don't take up very much space in the electrical box. They're very compact and it enables one to connect 3 or 4 wires, or enables one to add another hot wire if needed. So again, the on and off switch here, which goes directly up to the ceiling fan, which is the load side, which has electricity. It is actually operable as you see. So again, on and off switch, flip switch down, fan is off, flip switch up to the up position, fan is now on. So this is the one way to wire this properly all the way to the box, instead of grabbing a wire somewhere and using a juncture box to wire it. It's just an effective way to do it. Again, on and off switch for the electrical for the ceiling fan, which is in the off position. Now throw the switch, fan is in the on switch, powered up on the load side. That is in the on position. That is in the off position. Again, on position. And now the customer is ready to use his new ceiling fan.